welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. I have a Stitch Fix box for April. I have gotten a couple orders and I feel like I'm sticking to the boxes. I will say, you guys can judge for me here in a second. I asked for shorts and spring colored tops. I don't know if that is what transpired, but there are a couple pieces I am excited to try in here. A couple that I will be shocked if I like them. And it looks like I have a new stylist. Possibly that could be the problem, but I really feel like this is how my fixes come out. I need to work on wording, like how to describe the colors I want. And I really am looking for unique things. For my wardrobe, I really am only in need of like a piece that I just love, love, love. It's one of those power pieces that make you feel awesome. And it's like an elevated piece. I have tons, I used to not, but at this point I have tons of kind of everyday wear, basics like, you know, black tee, white tee, green tee, red tee. So I really am just needing elevated pieces that make me feel awesome. So let's get in and see what we have. First up is Daniel Rain, and it is black. I feel like the sun is coming through. I feel like Daniel Rain, overall I like Daniel Rain quite a bit, but it is kind of a regurgitation of things. So it has a lace down the back, which he has done before. It is a mixed material. The front is rayon, and if you guys have been around for a while, you know I'm not a fan of rayon. The back is that soft kind of t-shirt material. For me, rayon just shrinks. There are tricks to keep it for a little bit, but even those tricks for me only work maybe 4 washes, and then the tricks stop working. So sometimes if I really, really, really love a piece, I will risk it. So we'll see. This is the Klein blouse in black, extra large. This is $65. And I feel like I need to close the shade. We will see if that helps. So I don't know. This is probably a no for me, but I will definitely try it on. I'm not a fan of the rayon. Up next, we have somewhere between like a lavender and a gray top. I will say I did put lavender. This to me, I don't know, doesn't read spring. A Nine Britain. I don't think I've tried much on from Nine Britain. Debbie Flutter Sleeve blouse. They're calling this blue. So maybe it's a dusty blue. Extra large, $45. To me, this reads like a top I've had over and over again from Stitch Fix, but I think the top I'm referring to is a Daniel Rain. This is 100% polyester. I will say this feels like a nice polyester. This is very soft. It has stretch. I'm shocked that it's 100% polyester because there is stretch. So this is a very nice polyester. I don't know. My thing is I sent 2 tops back that were similar color last fix. I don't know. I don't feel like they're reading the notes per se. So this to me is probably going to be a no, but we never know. I always encourage you, if you get a box, you think you hate everything, just try it on. Why not? The dress I was excited about. But looking at it, the fabric is that cheap feeling, bubbly, if that even makes sense, textured polyester that I feel like if I lived in the 70s and knew what a leisure suit felt like, it's that thick polyester. It has like a very much of a texture. And whenever I try that type of polyester on, it reads very hot to me. Otherwise, I was very excited about this dress. I like the color. This does fit the spring bill. In my opinion, this is the only piece that fits the spring bill. Spring. It's a ruffled skirt. It kind of has a ruffled sleeves, buttons down the front. I don't know. I was excited about this. It is lined, which is only going to make it warmer. But the buttons are real buttons, so we will see how the gaping is. I will keep an open mind, but overall, this fabric just feels hot and thick. It is lined, which I do appreciate. I just wish we could get better fabrics. This is Market & Spruce, extra, extra large. The Rafa Flutter Sleeve Maxi Dress. This is $78. For $78, I wish we could have something better than this thick polyester. I will give it an open mind because I really like it minus the fabric. All right, this is by Staccato, and looking at the preview, this was an automatic. I just didn't like it. It looked rayon to me. This is not rayon. They keep sending me hot pink. I keep sending it back. I make comments underneath the top saying I do not like hot pink. Do they not read the comments under that? This just seems plain and boring and like 1,000 other tops Stitch Fix sends. Again, I will try it on. Maybe it'll knock my socks off. It's feeling a little too small. And this is, what did I say? Staccato Nivea Flutter Sleeve Top, extra large. And this is not listed. Oh, and so Pink Clover and Staccato might be the same. This says Pink Clover. This is $39. It's the cheapest top, and it feels like the cheapest top. So not a fan. I just don't know how to get them to listen to my notes. The last piece I am super excited about. I do not need jeans, but here they are. I have gone down a rabbit hole of Cosmic Blue Love jeans. If you are like me and your stomach is bigger, your button thighs are smaller, I would suggest trying Cosmic Blue Love. These have 3% elastane. I just recently bought 2 with 3%. 10 years ago, 3% elastane would have totally meant they stretched out during the day. I don't know if you guys remember those days. One of my first purchases on Stitch Fix was cut from the cloth, like a capri style pant. They looked gorgeous until the end of the day, and then they were a saggy butt. Maybe they lasted 2 wears before you had a saggy butt. I kind of assumed that, and I sized down to the 12. I'm not upset that I sized down to the 12, but they didn't stretch like I thought they would. And so I was almost bought these online, but I really wanted to try them on. And so these are the Cosmic Blue Love, 3% elastane. These are the buttery soft. They are a boot cut, which is my preferred. I did branch out and buy 2 wide leg. The jury's still out. I've had some pictures like with staff at work recently, and I'm just not sold that I like how I look in the wide leg. I'm also not mad I bought them. There's something different. These are the Brianna pull-on boot cut. Size 14, $88. I feel like on the Cosmic Blue Love, at least in the wide leg I recently bought, 14s are too big by a little bit. The 12s fit, but they're slightly tight in the way that the 14 are slightly big. And now knowing that they don't stretch out, if these fit perfectly, if they're a little big, I would probably keep them and not size down. So I am super excited about these, even though I technically don't need jeans. I really need shorts. I don't know whether you guys agree with me, but I just don't feel like this fix reads spring. Besides the dress. The dress I would go for, but the rest of it, there's nothing springish about it in my mind. I don't know. It's April. I figured they would have it. Anyway, I'm excited to try this on. I hope the pants fit. I hope the dress fits too, although I don't really like the fabric. So let's get into it and see what we like. All right, we are starting with the Staccato or Pink Clover top. I don't know about you. I can see my bra in the viewfinder. I assume that means you can see it. The color is better than I thought. This is kind of a dark berry color, at least on the screen. Maybe in person it's not. This to me is just a basic top. I don't need basic tops. I also don't want it to be see-through. It's also too clingy which I knew it would be. So, I mean, it's just one of those things where it's not a bad top. I could wear a necklace with it. It's kind of one of those tops that's good for wearing a necklace. I like a high neckline. I like the sleeves. It's just nothing exciting. Again, it's see-through. It's too tight. This is an easy no. I need to work on my words. Like, I want elevated, unique, kind of something special about it items. I have too many just kind of basic tops in my closet. So this is an easy no. All right, I could really use some help with this piece. I also feel like if I'm asking for help, then maybe that means I don't love it. I love the V-neck. I really like the color, and it has pockets. Not that I would necessarily use them. It is a full-length maxi. Down here at the bottom, it kind of has a little split, which I do not mind. I think there's lots, I think it looks really nice. I don't know if it's a love. I will also say I might hold it up later. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Probably not, because there's a pattern. But when I was looking in the mirror, I went to button something because it looked like there's a no button. So I could easily, with fabric glue, tack that down. I would probably do that with the buttons anyway. But there's an obvious, like, I don't know. I might show it later. But there's an obvious, like, little pucker where it looks like there should be a button and there's not. And I don't know whether that's a miss sewing on this dress, if that's a design flaw and they didn't design it well. And then there's Teddy. Say hello to Teddy. But there's a weird thing. And so this is, I believe, I somehow threw away my paper. I don't know where my paper went. But I believe this was like a $78 or $88 dress. And for that price, I don't feel like I should be fabric gluing a little glitch here. So I don't know. I kind of could easily see wearing this to work. I don't have any events. Like, I don't have any weddings. We don't have any, like, fancy parties we're going to. I don't know. What do you guys think? I like it a lot. And I don't know what's holding me back. Like, I feel like this should be an easy love. I do love where it sits here. Like, it's kind of a drop, which I think, like, from here up is my skinniest part as far as this goes. And so I do think it flares at the right part. I think the puckering, the little thing here bugs me. And I'm sure that wearing it out, nobody will see that. Like, I don't think anybody's going to notice. I just think for an $80 dress, it should not be there. I don't know. I have to think about this one. Oh, it has buttons all the way down. I would definitely probably have to glue it all the way down, which I've done dresses like that before. Because I'm a teacher, I don't want to be sitting and accidentally have these buttons splay open. I don't know. Let me know. I'm curious to know what you think. I feel like if this was cheaper, I would maybe be all in. The fabric doesn't bother me like I thought it would. So the fabric's okay. Let me know. Is this a win for you? Is it not a win? Let me know. I am undecided. All right, I am back with the next two pieces. This is the Daniel Rain top. I don't think it's gonna come across on screen, but like this just, I don't know how to describe it, but like the rayon seems like it's suction cupped to me. Like it just seems like there's not enough room in this top. Like I don't know. It's not necessarily tight or clingy, but it just, I don't know. It doesn't feel like, I don't know. It almost doesn't seem like it's made right in a way. Like it just, like the front's not fitting like the front. Like I'd almost think this was the back. So this is just not for me. I don't like the rayon. It's okay. I don't like the clinging. So it's not a bad top, but for 65 bucks, I want to love it. And I just don't love rayon. And then we come to the jeans, and they are so close. so close to just being a absolute heck yes, but the top is rolling down. I feel like if it was an inch higher rise, they would be perfect. They are a little bit like extra fabric in the butt, but honestly, the butt and thighs is pretty perfect. They are so buttery soft. I really like them, but just standing here, the top rolls. And in my experience, the rolling doesn't get better. I might wear these around the house for 20 minutes and see, but my inkling is if they roll while I'm standing, when I sit down, it's gonna do a big roll. So sadly, I think the pants are a no, which makes me really sad because I really like them. I wanted to love them and to keep them. So we have one more top, and then I kind of have to decide, just lose the 20 bucks or buy something that I'm not sure about. All right, I am back. This is the 9 Britain top, and I don't remember how much it is. I think it's like 45 bucks. I don't think I've ever had 9 Britain. I do like the V-neck. I'm not quite sure. I'm in love with the ruffles. I don't hate them. I will say this is a very nicely cut top. It seems to like not be blousey, but also like just kind of skim the surface of where it needs to skim. There's nothing wrong with it at all. I don't think the color is bad. It's also not a color I love. So I don't know. I could keep it. If it's 45 bucks, it would cost me 25 bucks to keep it. I wouldn't lose my 20 bucks. So we're kind of at this point where, do I lose the 20 bucks? In a way, send them a message. Like I'm not, I wonder if I, send it back, will they offer me a free box? Wantable does that. I don't know about Stitch Fix. I really like these jeans. I do have to kind of wear them around the house, but I am fairly sure this top part's gonna roll, and that's a deal breaker. I'm not gonna spend 88 bucks on pants that roll. Otherwise, these are easy keepers. I would wear them tomorrow. I just think they're I need a bigger rise. And then, well, I know for sure, I just do not like this top. It's cheap. I don't like the color. I would also say for Daniel Rain, this feels cheap. I just don't like it. I don't want rayon. It's going to shrink. So those two are out. The other option is the dress, which I believe is $78. And there's so much good to say about it. I don't know. There's just something about it where it's not like, I'll try this back on later. I don't know. For whatever reason, it's just not I love, love, love it. I have to have it. So I'm kind of choosing, the cheapest option is to, I guess, not keep anything. Lose my 20 bucks. Jeans, this top, or this. What do you guys think? Is there one I should keep? Should I just lose my styling fee? I don't know. I guess decisions I'm going to have to make, kind of ponder on it. When times like this, I often tomorrow, I'll try these on again. Again, there's nothing necessarily wrong with any of them. I just don't know if I love, love, love any of them. And that's what I kind of really want. I just don't want to buy things that I don't love. I feel like I should love this though. I feel like I should love it. I think it ticks all the boxes. Let me know. Does this look awesome? Am I being ridiculous? And this should be what I keep? Let me know. Anyway, I don't know. I'm kind of torn. And since I'm torn, maybe that's an obvious. I should just send it all back. I don't know. I get suckered into wanting to buy something, I guess. Anyway, let me know. I would be really interested in your thoughts. It would help me decide what I should do. Anyway, thank you so much. I will talk to you soon.